losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
OnePlus Ace 3 that will launch in UK as a OnePlus 12R on 23rd of January. Fast refresh rate LTPO AMOLED display, flagship processor, 50 megapixel Sony triple camera setup, huge battery, fast charging and many more. Today I am gonna show you unboxing and first impression of OnePlus 12R. Hey guys, Maiky from Maiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon. For more amazing tech videos, let's now get to the unboxing. The OnePlus Ace 3, also known globally as the OnePlus 12R. We open the seal on the box and lift the lid. Inside, the phone feels a bit heavy, and there's a blue-colored case included. The package contains a 100W power adapter with a Type A output, delivering 11 volts and 9.1 amps. Additionally, you'll find a SIM ejector tool, OnePlus stickers, and the user manual, welcome letter. Now removing the plastic wrap from the phone and discuss its design and build. Looking at the screen, you'll notice a curved design on both sides, forming a hyperboloid shape. In the upcoming OnePlus 12R, there will be a metal frame instead of the plastic one found in its predecessor. On the sides, there will be a 3-stage switch, while the top will feature an IR blaster and a secondary noise cancellation MIC. At the bottom, you'll find the speaker, primary microphone, Type-C port, and the SIM tray. The phone boasts flagship-level textures, especially evident when you look at the glossy glass back, named Moon Sea Blue by the company. The first impression is vibrant and energetic, slightly more compact than the OnePlus 12. The camera module is also smaller in size, featuring a ring-shaped decorative lens that is slightly raised. You can observe the circle design and feel the textures on the OnePlus 12R. Weighing 209 grams, it's heavier due to the use of robust materials, a metal frame and a glass back. When you put on a protective case, the in-hand feel is good with a solid grip, though it's slightly on the heavier side. The black color option comes with a matte finish on the glass and vertical textures on the back. In the center, you'll find the OnePlus logo. Do let me know in the comments which color you prefer between these two. Additionally, there's a bronze option that has a slightly pinkish tint. I've already uploaded a detailed review video of the OnePlus 12R. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find the link in the description below. The phone comes with a substantial 5500 mAh battery and is powered by last year's flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The highest variant of the OnePlus 12R achieves an AnTuTu score of over 1.65 million. Now, the anticipation is to see at what price it launches in the UK. No need to wait much longer. Both the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus 12R are set to be globally launched on the 23rd of January. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below if you have any questions. Also give this video thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness.